Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. This is a weekly meal prep video. It's for motivational purposes and therefore it will be mostly silent. As I've mentioned a few times before, this is the only way I can lighten my load throughout the week. However, things don't always go as planned. On this day, I started off wanting to make minced beef and vegetable stew, khudra mofruka, and beef puff pastry rolls. However, when my mula khudra failed, I decided to make mula tagalia and minced beef fried rice. Stick around to the end to find out what went wrong. I'm cooking the minced beef in a large pot. Then, before adding the dry okra, I take some out for the fried rice. In another pot, I'm cooking chicken with molokhia. I boiled diced chicken breast for 15 minutes with a small onion, a little bit of oil, coriander powder, and vegetable seasoning.
I knew.
I remove the chicken from the pot and set it aside and add the defrosted molokhia into the soup. I let this cook on medium to low heat. I add some dissolved kombo and continue cooking it. I used a new brand of minced beef and the amount of fat in this caught me by surprise. It's way too much, so I will skim most of it off. Look at all this oil. I take out some of the cooked mince to use for the fried rice. I add water and dry okra in little increments while stirring it in. A few minutes into cooking the molokhia, it didn't look right. It had no slime and it had a strange smell. I've cooked this recipe several times before, but I'm not sure what happened. I bought the molokhia the day before and it was in the freezer, so I don't know where things went wrong. Have a look at this. It's runny and it doesn't have a pleasant aroma. I shut the heat off and finish off cooking the rest of the meals. I didn't want to risk my family's health, so I threw it out. This is the first time that this has happened to me. Has this happened to you before? If the answer is yes, please share your experience in the comments section below. Now onto the minced beef fried rice. I chop the onions and tomatoes and saute them in extra virgin olive oil before adding the vegetables. I'm using sweet corn and peas.
but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard.
I add my spices and seasonings, followed by the meat.
The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
Mix these and add the rice. Fried rice is best cooked with leftover rice. However, I cooked this rice earlier. I put it in this plate to allow it to cool fully before cooking. This step is important as it prevents the rice from turning into a mashed up mess. If you love content of this nature, please smash that like button, subscribe and click on the notification bell. This will ensure that you're amongst the first people to be notified whenever I post a new video. The rice is ready and we had it for dinner. I serve the boys dinner so it can cool slightly before they start eating. I repurposed the chicken which was for the molokhia. I shredded it and warmed it with a little water. Then I added sweet corn, mayonnaise, salt and black pepper and used it as a sandwich filling. Once the stew cools, I store it in the fridge along with any leftover rice. This meal prep didn't go as planned, so I cooked again during the week. Thanks for watching and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video.